Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Finally got a new 5-pack. Actually, I didn't get it. One of my friends, Lenny, found it at a Walmart and he got 2 of them for me. So I am going to do unboxing, quick review and some comparisons to similar vehicles from previous years. So give me a second while I open up one of these boxes, or actually let's just have a look at the box itself first. So the vehicles, looks like a couple of Nissans. A lot of Nissans, Infiniti, Subaru, and a Honda Civic hatchback, which we've seen before. And there's the back of it, and the side. And I'm just going to open one up. Give me a sec. That is, guys, it's open now, and I'm very excited to go through these vehicles. I think all these vehicles have been released before. I certainly don't have let's see, there's 5 vehicles. I certainly don't have 4 of them, so I'm happy to add them to my collection. But if you have been collecting for a while, you're probably going to see a lot of these in your collection already. Anyways, let's go through them one by one. And there's the open box. It says it's MBX Japan Tourers. It's a really nice box. So let's get to it. I don't want to spend too much time on these. Let's do it in no particular order. Let's have a look here. Actually, let's just do it in order. This first vehicle we have there is the 2017 Honda Civic hatchback. I think it's been done in white before. I'm not sure if I have it in white. Oh, actually I do. No, actually I don't think I do. Look at that, fully detailed back. That's a really, really nice casting. We've seen this in several colors before. I've got it in black. I have it in a baby blue. It's also there in blue in a 9-pack from earlier this year. Anyways, let's just have a closer look at this. Wow, that is really nice. It's got quite a bit of weight to it as well. Of course, there's the back. It's a really, really nice vehicle. And then we've seen it before. We have it in this MBX City Drivers 5-pack there in blue. And that is from 2020. We've also got it in that 9-pack in blue. It's gonna move right along there. That's a really nice vehicle. Next we have the Subaru Impreza, and to be specific, it's a 2007 Subaru Impreza WRX Police. And this casting has been out for a while. That really is nice. It's too bad they didn't do the front of that. Look at that. And then just to show you guys close up. MBX Metro PD, Police Department, Police. Unfortunately, no front detailing. This would be such a wonderful car if it did have detailing at the front. Blue windscreen, gray, light gray interior, nice set of wheels, and once again, no detailing at the back. Metal spoiler. Oops. And there's the back. And I've got 2 other versions of this vehicle from previous years in 2 different 5-packs. I hope the lighting is good enough for you guys to see it. So you see at the bottom there in gray, police sign, highway speeders, from a few years ago, and then also there in gray from a 5-pack called MBX to the Rescue. So third version that I have. Very happy to include it in my collection. I do love these police cars, especially the Japanese police cars. All right, next we're gonna have a look at one of my favorite castings, or recent castings I should say, which is the 2010 Infiniti G37 coupe. That really is very nice. Look at that. Really, really well detailed. Look at that. Beautiful from that angle. And then I have two other versions. I'm not sure if there's any other colors out there. There might be. And then the red version came in the MBX City Drivers earlier this year. So there it is in red. It's quite a nice 5-pack as well. And, oh sorry, not this year, but a couple of years ago, 2020. Pretty sure I got it into my collection in 2021. That really is a fantastic lineup. I'm not sure if there's any other colors on this, guys. If there is, please let me know. It wouldn't surprise me given that it's a 2010, so there's a good chance that it was produced in other colors. I certainly don't have them, but if there are any others, I would love to add them to my collection. There's the side, no tampos, which I'm fine with. And look at that car that's finished. That's as nice as you could expect, and look at the back on this. That is just beautiful. Wow. There's the back of it, and I'm just going to show you the gray one real quick because I'm not sure if I have shown you guys this vehicle before. This one's actually a little bit old. I'm not sure where I got it. I might have got it at a charity store. I don't think I opened this, and let's just have a look which year it's from. Yeah, it's J30, so that's from a few years ago. Really, really nice. Very, very happy to add that to my collection. And I'm going to move right along because I don't have a lot of time today. So next we are going to look at a Datsun, the 70s Datsun 510 Rally to be specific. Look at that. No detailing at the back, but the top's all done up. It's all painted, which is nice. Yellow gas can, spare tire. Nice livery at the front. That's quite nice. So this is the 4th version of this vehicle that I own in my collection. It says Bill Stein. I'm not sure what that is. Nissan Motor Company Ltd. MBX. Number 9, or is it a 6? Depends which angle you look at it. Black interior, plastic base. Really, really nice. R01 is the manufacturing date. And then I do have it. That was the exclusive in a 9-pack from a few years ago. Look at that. They have the side livery, but no, the top's not done in that one. It's not detailed. And of course the back's not detailed in either of them. And just to show you guys which 9-pack it came from. So that's probably from either 2019 or 2020. And then in the same year, they also had it in white, which I haven't opened yet. Right there. And there's the black one that we just looked at. And then Walmart also did a Walmart exclusive called Off-Road Rally. And I got that vehicle, I think it was last year. So number 45, I'm going to open this up because I think I have a couple of them. Oh, there's the entire set. 1970 Datsun. Oh look, there's another Subaru. But not a police car this time. Okay, give me a second while I open it up and we'll just have a quick look at that as well. So there it is out of its package. Just going to let it whirl once. Datsun 510, number 45, Nissan Motor Company. And unfortunately, they haven't finished the front or back on any of these, which is a shame. Let's have a closer look at it. That's really nice, isn't it? Look at that. Just put them all side by side so that you guys can see them. Definitely one worth collecting. I think the wheels on the black version are my favorites. Not a huge fan of the wheels on the orange or green version. And you can see the wheels on the white version are the same types of tires as the black, except it's got a red hub versus an orange hub that you can see on the black version. All right, one more car, and that 5-pack is Dana's. Have a look here. Last but not least, that's a 62 Nissan Junior pickup truck. Quite nice. I think we've seen this a few times with a nice tow hook there. So front and back not detailed because there is the side livery. It's quite nice, isn't it? And this also came as part of a Walmart special line of pickup trucks that they did last year. So this is the second version of it that I have. The exact version, I should say. That's quite nice. Black interior, gray tow hook. Tires are decent for this vehicle. 1962 Nissan Junior, very, very nice. And then we've seen a few different versions of it. It's there in that 5-pack called MBX Wild 2. And then we also have it in the Rannick livery from a few years ago. And actually from this year, that's a 9-pack from this year. So that's it, guys. I'm just gonna put all the cars from this particular 5-pack on display. I think Matchbox did a great job with this particular 5-pack MBX Japan Tourers. I hope they have more versions of this MBX Japan Tourers. I know in Vancouver these Japanese vehicles are very, very popular, and collectors love to add new versions of them to their collections. So great job, good selection of vehicles. I love the fact that you added the pickup truck to this, even though I do have it in my collection already. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do so. And if you like the video, do press like on YouTube. Thank you.